bros, welcome back to the channel. Finally have a video for the SRT4 that is not a fix-it video. We got us some AUXITOs. Shout out to my boy Bill. Hooked us up with a sponsorship for these bad boys. So we're gonna be getting these things thrown on the car. I've actually been sitting on these for a minute. I've been wanting to throw them on for a while. And today is finally that day. These are gonna be some LEDs for the SRT4. The stock headlights, as you guys can assume, are pretty yellow at night, and it actually kind of makes the car look aged. So this will liven it up. But first things first, let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. Let's see what we got. These are model specific. 9007 HB5s. I had to go to my owner's manual to find these, or to find that code to let me know specifically what I needed. And like I said, my boy Bill got them ordered for us. What we got? Oh, we got some gloves. That's actually unexpected. This product manual. I'm actually watching this through the camera. This feels tricky, but so they'll tell us how to get these things put in. And here they are themselves. Don't really want to touch that LED bulb. So yeah. Let's go ahead and get the SRT4 torn apart. Get these bad boys installed. Dodge. What? I ain't ever in my life seen no Wolverine-ish like this. I ain't never seen nothing like this. What? So I went ahead and gloved up. I was getting dirty there. But here is the comparison. Let's go ahead and get this started. So I just wanted to show you guys it first and then explain how to do it. This, I guess, dust cover, whatever you want to call it, slips right over where the LEDs clip in, and then you turn this and lock it into place. Beautiful, just beautiful. Now those things really do look crispy, man. That's gonna look so good at night. Now I really have to get that lens over there cleaned up. You know, that smudgy's gone. But I like them, they look great. Definitely gonna get some LEDs at some point. Bill, hit me again. 2 thumbs up, bud. 2 thumbs up. But this is not the end of the video. You guys, of course, have to see this at night. I'll throw in some comparisons. I'll throw in some comparisons as to what it looked like before, and of course now. But that looks great. Makes the car look more alive, more modern. But yeah. And I did get carried away. The garbage truck. I did get carried away, and you guys did see me throw that Muzzy short ram in there. I've been running without a intake, noticing some soot on the turbo, so just also want to see what kind of sound it makes. But so this is the product after 3 layers of the black, and then I just hit it with 1 coat of the clear. Definitely much better. That dry look was getting on my nerves. I'll hit it with a couple more coats of this, and then I'll be done. Like I said, we'll just pick up once we do the comparisons at night. So before we jump over to the comparison, I do want to just give a huge shout out to Bill Seriously over at AUXITO once again. This is my first formal sponsorship. I'm very grateful, first of many, but thank you once again. These things look great. Without further ado, nighttime.